What if the colors of the world simply vanished one morning? The dawn broke cold and grey over the kingdom of Lumeria. No blue in the sky, no gold in the sunday, no rose in the princess's cheeks. Just a kingdom drained of joy, silent, pale and afraid. Princess Aria stood at her balcony, clutching the last shimmering ribbon of light. It quivered in her hand, then broke. A rainbow shattered like glass across the horizon. They said it was cursed. They said the gods were angry. But Aria, she didn't believe in fear. She believed in fixing things. So she set out through silver forests, where leaves whispered secrets, across crystal rivers that forgot how to shine, into caverns that smelled of rain and rust and sleeping storms. Each step echoed louder than the last. She met the red spirit of courage, a flame trapped in a stone. She freed it with a tear. Orange greeted her next a fox made of firelight and laughter. Yellow was a songbird that had forgotten how to sing. Green a forest giant, heart cracked with sorrow. Blue an ocean child, weeping stars. And indigo and violet, they waited at the end of the world. But then the storm came. Winds howled. Mountains split. The last shard of the rainbow burst in her hand, cutting her palm. Colors screamed into the void, and for a heartbeat, everything stopped. Was this how the world ended? No. Aria lifted her bleeding hand and let her tears fall into the storm. Each drop caught the light refracted, multiplied, reborn. The sky ignited. Rivers sang. Mountains blazed. A new rainbow arched across creation, not made by gods, but by a girl who refused to let beauty die. They say when the light bends after rain, it's just physics. But maybe, just maybe, it's Aria reminding us that color only lives when courage dares to break first.